Well, welcome back to the channel, Old Cars New Van. So we're back at Wentworth Woodhouse. Wow. It's pretty magnificent. Is that a little Reliant? I'm a bit off form today, folks. I can't really name the poor American goodness with the Chevrolet, but beautiful colour on the Lancia Integrale. Wow, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's such an unusual colour for those as well. I may have seen this vehicle before at a previous show, because I can't believe there's many in green in the UK. It's quite interesting for a quite modern car. Rear engine Clio, a really fast one. Sort of almost rally race homologation special. A bit like my Toyota Yaris. A Vauxhall Cavalier, but not just any Vauxhall Cavalier, it's a V6. Very nice. A couple of little Lotuses. It's amazing how old these are actually. That's like 27 years old. And that's 91 on the H. Okay, but behind that, some Roots goodness. We've got the Hillman Avenger Saloon, and followed by the Hillman Avenger Estate. Now, is that the same car that was at Festival of the Unexceptional on the Daily Telegraph stand? I think it could be. Just watching the saloon go past, and then switching to the estate. That's lovely. And then the Peugeot as well, the Peugeot 204, is that, or is it 304? Convertible, very nice. Obviously the Astra GTE. No, it is an Astra GTE. Sorry, just the wheels were throwing me a little bit, but I think they're just aftermarket. The Puma in all of the racing yellow. Little Mini in full Monte Carlo spec, and then the Mark II Golf GTI behind it. Another Wolseley 1500 following up in the rear. Wouldn't mind doing a test drive on one of these. So if by chance any viewer has one, let me know. We'll try and meet up, because I'm very familiar with what's behind it, the Morris Minor, but I've never driven the Wolseley 1500, and I'd like to. So walking down the queue, so we're going past the Wolseley, we're going past the Moggy 1000, the little doggy leaning out the window, and then an 80s Capri, and a 70s Ford Cortina Estate. That's rather nice. Yeah, the Capri with the fabulous check seats. I can see that from here. And then, yeah, the Cortina Estate. That's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Many fans are a-whirring on the Stingray. Vauxhall Calibra, oh yes, getting rare. And the old Triumph 2000, that's a beauty. That's a real beauty. Another very impressive looking A-Reg. What is it with A-Reg Mercedes today? 1984 Mercedes seems to be the car of the show. Early Mini, exterior door hinges and slidey windows and all good stuff like that. And another Mercedes. My goodness me, talking of Mercedes, look at this bad boy. Beautiful. And it's right-hand drive. I say that because so many of these beautiful cars are often imported because they either weren't very common in the first place or rotted away. But yeah, that early SL is phenomenal. Very tidy BMW 3 Series. and obviously a slightly modified Peugeot 205 GTI behind it. So a Jaguar, obviously these days involved in wedding duties, complete with white wool tyres. Another MGB Roadster behind it, and then a Ute, a Datsun Ute. It's going to be either Japan, Australia, South African import. But yeah, that's really cool. Complete with wing mirrors. And the little itsy wincy little Fiat. How cute. Complete with picnic basket. Purposeful looking Escort. And is this a big old Humber? I think it must be. Yes. A C15 van. Well, it's definitely an eclectic mix, isn't it? Toyota Celica, and then another F-Reg, this time the Orion in that famous blue, and a little Renault 5 brings up the rear. Little XR2i, and a more basic one behind it. And then the TVR, and then again another big American we've definitely seen before, and I still can't quite remember what it is. Oh, it is the Bel Air. Yeah, lovely. Classic Mini, late one, 2001 on the Y, last year of production, and obviously the MG based on the 75. Oh wow, the Honda NSX. Good morning to you, sir. The MGB GT chrome bumper. It's got an MG badge on it. I don't recognise it. MG Maestro. There we go. Back into familiar territory. 2 litre. Very nice. Little cute Fiat. Another one. And I believe that's is that a Marcos? I think it is. And a very yellow MG, very early Ford Capri, 2 litre GT, I believe. Little MG midget, round wheel arches and chrome bumpers. Good morning. And then some JDM goodness. So it's filling up. Obviously, once we've filmed the queue, we will go round and have a look at the cars that perhaps got in before us, or that we've missed. Yeah, an impressive setting. Beautiful Jaguar, the XK. We're complete with spats on the rear wheels. Absolutely beautiful. Proper classic. MGB GT, obviously chrome bumpered. And then the 2-tone Ford Fiesta Mark 1. Brown over cream. Beautiful. Little Mini in the background. Correct with period roof rack. Camaro. Seems to be a few of these smart cars here today. Maybe there's a gathering or a club. Again, a beautiful Jaguar following in behind. Wow. Looking pretty majestic, I have to say. Nice little again, early MG midget. Cool, judging by the width of those rear tyres, that ain't slow. Listen to the sound of it. That's going to be a 1/4 mile drag king, isn't it? And the little Sunbeam Alpine behind. Followed by a Jeep Wrangler. They're quite fun. And again a primrose yellow MGB GT chrome bumper. The Datsun Z car. And a Honda Civic. And a Hillman convertible Avenger. Gosh, never seen one of those. A Chrysler, yeah, more Roots Group action. Another two-tone Fiesta. Yeah, still they roll in. Austin Healey. Oh, now that's cute. The little Countryman Mini with the wood. That's really cute. Good morning. That's lovely. Cortina rolling in. This car we saw in the queue coming in. This is a Sheffield Simplex. Very, very rare. One of 3 in the world. Wow. I think it's about somewhere between 1913 and 1920. Yeah. A few that sneaked in before we started filming in the queue. This Bedford O-type truck and this little Ford Pop. Really cool. Absolutely immaculately turned out truck. That's really cool. Yeah, beautiful. Old Wolseley here. And then a console as well. Rounding off these pre-60s cars, this Austin pickup truck.